Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening everywhere in the world. Today is a lovely Thursday, winter. Guys, I just recovered from a heavy flu. I was not feeling bright, so I know you guys miss me, although I do some silent live videos. Today I'm by the park, sitting at home, which is not helpful, so let me get a fresh air. Going to the park, walk. I'm going to the seaside, just make a short video. I hope you guys will be okay with that. So I'm going to show you the area again once more. My area, it's nature, as you can see. Very nice place. It's nature here. Try to put these things now, you know. Where I see the trees, sunshine, you know. Sun is shining. I see the trees everywhere. See? So lovely weather. See? People are making a walk. So what's this weather? So to put the zip on. All the trees are all no leaves. That's winter. That's called winter sunset. It's beautiful. The sun is set. It's quite chilly. I wear my gloves. You know, you have to be careful with my gloves. I keep on losing gloves. When you lose one, the other one is useless. See the sunshine. So a beautiful weather today, and tomorrow continue also. It's a nice park, neighborhood, nice park. I think I've been here many occasions. I was not feeling bright as the flu really hit me. Like they beat me up. I think the body tried to regulate from winter. So I've been taking, I went to the doctor, said I have a low vitamin D3. I said, wow, because we don't have enough sun. That's the problem. So I keep on taking the supplements of the vitamin D3. Having a low, as a black man, having a low vitamin D3. Strange. Well, being in an environment where there's no sun, enough sun, it's winter. It's my carelessness not taking vitamin D3 supplements. I eat eggs. I think eggs will be alright, but unfortunately I have a low vitamin D3 deficiency. So I'm keeping up now, standing up from the flu. You know, it was not good. Eat some beans, eggs, you know, red meat. Well, can't be at home. I say I need to come out, go to the park, and have a video for my people. You know, it's like when I'm enjoying the nature of this place. You guys can see, lovely place. See, all the trees, the leaves are off because it's winter. Hey Rich, how are you? I'm expecting post in the morning tomorrow. Are you coming in the morning?
Yeah, I'll keep my eye out here.
What time are you coming?
9.
Okay, I'll be waiting. Thank you very much. I'll get a postman. When post come, especially the parcel, we have some neighbors who try to all open people's posts, and I don't like it. Something is not for you, you should not open it, you know. So I just see the postman says coming tomorrow. by 9 o'clock. You know, by 9 o'clock. So I'll be waiting for that. But that's life when you be with people, innit? Yeah. Okay, back to nature. As I said before, I just recovered from flu. And thank you guys for your support. I do the live silent. You guys come and support me and speed recovery. TRI, Mother Art, Maya Kitchen. Thank you very much. Bet, I say bet. So only kitchen. Thank you very much. I'm just recovery. I'm a strong man. Look at these steps. These are steps for people to make exercise. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's a good exercise. It's a good exercise of steps. See, these people are very creative, especially kids can jump. You know, it's good for the bones. Yeah, it's very good for the bones. It's a nice neighborhood I live. Look at this massive tree. There's a massive tree up here. Very massive tree. So it's a massive tree. It's quite chilly. Also, nice, always a quiet tree, you know. Woodland, this is called Woodland. Woodland's Walk. Welcome to Woodland Walk by BCP Council. I'll just make a short video on this. Okay, the sun's set brighten. It's a beautiful day today. It's beautiful. It's a Boscombe Bowling Golf. Bosco Cliff Bowling Club. Got some beautiful houses here. I love that Mercedes. Beautiful. It's a beautiful place. The sun is shining, it's beautiful sunshine, you know? So, if you're new to this channel, please like, share, make comments to this channel. Signature 5949. No, like, share, make a comment, and God bless you guys. You take care. Oh, bye.